What is that? Spoon. Spoon. How about this? What are this? Flowers. Very good. Flowers. You count the flowers. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, there are 5 flowers.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, very good. Pretty. How about this one? What is this? Zia's soap. How about this one? What is this? Wow. Do not open. Do not open. What is this? You smell. You smell. You smell. Wow. You give them. Hello. You like Yakult?
Yeah.
Okay. You like Yakult, Zia?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sit. Sit. Do not open. Say thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Say please first. Please open. Okay, I'll open it for you. You want me to open? Say please. Okay. You like this? Is this yummy? Is this yummy, baby girl? Okay. Is this yummy? Say thank you. Very good. Very yummy. Ask them if they like Yakult. Do you like Yakult, guys? Okay. Say bye, guys. Bye. You say bye. Come on, you say bye.
Mommy.